So this question was asked in Harvard MIT Mathematics Tournament 2007. Let's see how to solve it. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos x. So let's multiply it and add the denominator as well. So by multiplying it, this is the equation that I will get. 1 plus cos x, and at denominator this will be 1 minus cos square x. We know that sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So I can rewrite this equation as 1 minus cos square x is equal to what? Sine square x. Great. Now insert this value here. So when I will insert this value, my equation will become x squared divided by sine square x. Okay, and this is multiplied by 1 plus cos x. Limit x approaches to 0. Now, what I will do, I can rewrite this equation as x divided by sine x, and this is whole square, and 1 plus cos x as it is. Now, we know that sine x divided by x is equal to what? It is equal to 1. And let's put the value of x. What is the value of x? It is 0. So put the value of x is equal to 0. So this will become 1 plus 1, and this will equal to 2. And that is the answer. Hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubt or queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.